Hello fellow knife enthusiast, this is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to be reviewing the Amare Pocket Peak. That's a folder and a fixed blade version of the Pocket Peak. So we're going to go ahead and open them up and start you off. Well, that sucker was really in there. This is the folder version. And this is the fixed blade version. Comes with a tech lock. That's nice. The adjustable pieces that you need to make it work. We'll go ahead and set this out here. Both of these are carbon fiber. We'll start with the Pocket Peak folder. Give it a couple of opens there. Very nice. Smooth. Alright. So this is the Pocket Peak liner lock. It is 8.25 inches overall. The blade length is 3.5. The blade material is Sandvik 14C 28N. This one goes 62 on the Rockwell scale. It has a drop point blade, a flat grind, satin finish. It has a plain edge, carbon fiber, and G10. So I'm guessing in this it's either carbon fiber overlay or laminate. The weight is 4.7 ounces. It is a right hand carry, tip up, as the pocket clip is just as close to deep carry as you can pretty much get. And then the model number, of course, is 201803. Alrighty, we'll show you how this one cuts real quick, and then we'll go to the fixed blade version. Cut through the paracord quickly and easily, and also very smoothly. Bring a little bit of this corded jute. Wow. Right through that. I want to do it one more time just for fun. Very nice. Now we'll go on to the Pocket Peak fixed blade. It's very slim line. Has a Kydex sheath, of course, and you saw the tech lock for your Molly there, Molly packs. It is 8.75 inches overall. The blade length is almost 4. It's 3.875. Also Sandvik 14C 28N, 62 on the Rockwell scale. Plain edge, satin finish. Handle length is 4.75. Carbon fiber over G10. You can see obviously full tang. Weight on it is very light at 3.3 ounces. We like the jimping on the bottom and the top. It's always nice on a slender knife like this. We all know what can happen to you if you don't take precautions. We'll show you how this one cuts here. I don't think we're going to have any issues cutting any of this stuff. I figured that. It actually cuts a little smoother than the folder. I didn't even get a chance to show you that. It's just cut before. Let's find something a little more suiting of its talents. We got some crafting, toil, burlap stuff. This stuff is ridiculous to cut. Watch my fingers. As you can see, it goes through it real smoothly. I wasn't putting any pressure on it. Basically just pushing it. Making a mess everywhere we go. Fits in its sheath nicely. Guess you could also use this as a neck knife. It's a little long for that, but I mean, it's very similar to a cold steel spike, which was one of my favorite neck knives, and they were long like this, had a corded handle on it. So overall, we're very pleased with the Pocket Peak from Amare. Of course, everybody knows Amare by now is a collaboration between Real Steel and a German knife company, which I do not attempt to pronounce their name. The Pocket Peak folder is $92.50 at AtlanticKnife.com. And I believe the fixed blade is $79.50. Both of them are just relatively inexpensive for nicely made folders. We'll flip that one again. All right. So we'll wrap this up now by telling you to, or asking you to like and follow on IG, where we post knife reviews almost daily of all the knives that come in that are new. And on YouTube, we're going to ask you to subscribe, ring the bell, and leave us comments. We love to answer the comments. We're doing some contests. We have contests pretty much weekly on knife giveaways. And on that note, we'll wrap this up by saying, I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.